Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm here to explain you about Oni OK reviews. In this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And guys, in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So what are you waiting for? Stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with multiple clothing products including leggings, yoga wears, yoga pants, men's wear including jackets, shorts, joggers, kids wear, leggings in organic cotton fabric and recycled polyester fabric. If you want to visit the product category of this website, then you need to visit the menu option button. Here you will find the women collection including the new arrivals, tops and bottoms, men's collection, kids collection and about the fabric. So this was the offerings information, and guys, talking about the prices of these offerings. So you can see the prices of these offerings are pretty high, which is a negative sign. Let's talk about the payment information of this website. For that, we need to visit the bottom of the web page, and you can see the mode of payment which is available on this website is PayPal only. You can make the payment via PayPal. Now let's talk about the shipping policy. For that, you need to visit the shipping and handling section. And guys, in this section they have mentioned about the shipping policy. So they have provided the information that all international orders will be processed and shipped out within 1 to 3 business days. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe our channel. And I'm going to discuss important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But when it comes to the domain information of this website, so the domain name was created on 30th of November 2020. This means that this website is precisely 18 days old, and according to a study, this domain is registered for 1 year only. Therefore, the site can't be trusted. We need to explore the entire information related to the legitimacy and fakeness factor as well. So let's check out the About Us page of this website to know more about this website. But guys, no About Us section is available on this website, which is a negative sign. Anyways, let's check out the Contact Us details of this website. Guys, this is the Contact Us page. They have mentioned or provided the email address, contact number and as well as the company's official address, but the address details are not legit. When you'll check out the address on Google Maps, you will find residential home address at the particular given address. So this is not a good sign and the site can't be trusted on this vector. Talking about the email address, this matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. But guys, you should also know that many scam and problematic sites use emails starting with online, customer, care, mail, info, etc. So be aware of this factor. Now talking about the social media presence, guys, the site has no social media presence at all, which is a bad sign. And yes, talking about Oni OK reviews, we have found no reviews about the site on the internet. And talking about the return policy of this website, guys, let's check out the return policy by visiting the return policy page, and they have mentioned 14 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. Yes, you can find the reviews or customers testimonials on the official website. Here are the some customers testimonials, but guys, these testimonials are not legit at all, so we can't trust on this website easily. And guys, this site seems to be not much popular online as this is a newly launched website and has too low traffic to analyze its legitimacy. Apart from that, the content of this site seems to be copied which is one of the biggest characteristics of a scam website. And in the final conclusion, I would say the website appears to be suspicious. This company hasn't secured the site with security measures. It means if you will shop from this site, guys, then your personal and financial information might be stolen. So you should stay away from such type of suspicious websites. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. Guys, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. And at the last, thanks for giving your precious time, guys. Have a good day.